I think it's also important to realize we don't have a very good surveillance system up for the workers that have the occupational risk, whether they be dairy workers or poultry workers. And the real risk is that because we don't have good surveillance, that if the virus continues to evolve and mutate and does show the potential for human to human transmission, the real worry is without a surveillance system, we're not going to capture that as quickly as we need to. And you have this worst case scenario of someone coming home from a dairy or poultry facility being sick, exposing not only their family, but a lot of the folks that are in these kind of industries lived with in mixed family, mixed generational homes. And the virus can spread significantly before we really get a handle on what's going on. And as we all know, prevention is much less expensive, much easier to deal with small outbreaks than large outbreaks. So we're definitely teetering. And one thing I've had people ask me in the past, like, well, can you model what's going on? And in the past, our lab and others have tried to predict where the virus is going to move. And I always tell people, no, it's way too complex at this point. We're not just looking at wild birds, ducks and geese, and poultry. Now we're looking at in humans and wastewater and so many other different wild species that it would take the rest of our time to list all the different risk factors. So all the different species affected.